Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download QuickBooks Online bank feeds for reconciliation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To download QuickBooks Online bank feeds for reconciliation, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the left menu and select the Banking tab. Choose the bank account for which you want to download the bank feeds. Click on the Update button to ensure you have the latest transactions. Once the update is complete, go to the banking page again. Select the Bank Feeds option from the drop-down menu. Click on the Download button to initiate the file download. Choose the appropriate date range for the transactions you need. Select the format for your download, commonly CSV or QBO. After selecting, confirm your download and save the file to your computer. Next, return to QuickBooks Online and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Import Data and then Bank Data. Upload the file you just downloaded by clicking on the Choose File button. Locate and select the saved bank feeds file from your computer. Once selected, click on the Next button to proceed. Follow the on-screen prompts to map your imported data to the correct accounts in QuickBooks. After mapping, confirm the import and wait for the process to complete. Finally, review the imported transactions for accuracy. You can now begin the reconciliation process with your bank statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.